Now to the Lonna Barton investigation. Today, the missing child's mother, Lonna Barton, is likely to testify against the man police call the prime suspect in the case during a pretrial hearing.
Third straight day of court proceedings to determine what evidence is in, what evidence is out when Ruben Ebron goes to trial. Is supposed to start Monday. Now, yesterday, the detectives who interviewed him after the 21-month-old boy went missing testified about their part in the investigation.
Today, there's still a lot more to do. Channel 4's Ashley Mitchum's joining us now live from the courthouse. Ashley, what's expected to happen in court?
So as you said, we may be hearing from Lonna Barton today. What we don't know is what questions she will be answering. We're also hoping to find out today whether certain evidence will be allowed to go to trial or if they're going to have to hold it back. We learned a lot in the courtroom yesterday, including Lonna Barton's young sister. The only witness to Lonna's disappearance other than Ruben Ebron will not testify. The reason is she's too young to have valid testimony. Another issue that took a lot of time in the court revolves around Ebron's cell phone and all the data, like GPS information. The JSO sergeant who took the phone was questioned by both prosecutors and the defense. The issue is whether the phone and its data was taken illegally.
Mr. Ebron at that point told us that we needed to find some photos on his phone of the victim that he had deleted.
So he actually told you, go back in that phone and look again for these things?
That is correct.
Today, Judge Mark Borrello will have to rule on whether the cell phone information can go in the trial. That's what's called Williams' rule. Essentially, that covers whether Ebron's other criminal activity not related to child neglect charges can be brought up. Rhonda Peoples-Waters is an attorney not affiliated with the trial. We talked to her about this decision that could be made in court today.
This is a big issue as it relates to consent. And Ebron is saying that, listen, I never gave them consent to pull the data off of my phone. I gave them consent to look at it, but not to do anything further.
We spoke with Ebron's father after the hearing. He questions whether Ebron will get a fair trial.
My main concern is to make sure that he's treated fairly. I mean, we're U.S. citizens, and just like every other citizen, we want a fair and impartial trial.
Ebron will face trial next week on charges of lying to police, child neglect, and tampering with evidence. Live from the Duval County Courthouse, Ashley Mitchum, Channel 4, the local station.